With it, you will be able to conduct home repairs, upgrading and installation of household item easily without hassle. Let's unpack the product. Fresh out of the box, you will get a hard carry-on plastic casing housing the drill and other accessories. Let's proceed to open the case up. Inside the packaging, you will find one user guide to assist you in efficiently setting up your drill. Also, you'll get all 45 bits, including 2-piece drill bits, 32-piece driver bits, 1-piece bits holder, 8-piece sockets, 1-piece socket connector, and 1-piece flexible shaft. All packed nicely in the casing. A wall charger is also included. The flexible shaft is really useful for drilling or screwing of hard-to-reach areas like compartments or electronic devices. On first impressions, the VIGRUE electric drill looked really impressive and high quality. On the motor head of the screwdriver, you have a turnable adjustable head which allows you to set the torque of the rotating motor head, apply it to different types of work scenes. An indicator light can be found at the top of the electric screwdriver. You also can transform the drill into a compact flat design by easily pressing the button at the top of the device to manually make it flat and easily storable. At the base of the drill, you can easily use the powerful flashlight during your work, to find stuff or enhance visibility of dark areas. Turn it back into its original form by pressing the same button at the top and turning the head back. Easily change between two modes of screwing, in and out. Really convenient design with a switch to screw in and out at the handle of the screwdriver. The ergonomic work light of the screwdriver allows for better visibility during your work. Awesome design. Overall, on first impressions, the design and sturdiness of the electric screwdriver is excellent, with many ergonomic features built into it. Now insert your screw head into your screwdriver, select from the wide range of bits provided in the case of the device. Start your work right away once the screw head is installed. It is a multi-purpose screwdriver, catering to different screw size and work scenarios. Here we can unscrew a bulb holder easily without having to manually twist and turn using a traditional screwdriver. This effortlessly removes the tight screw without compromise and saving you time and effort. Next, as you see, here we have a remote control car. We can easily remove the screws off it with the electric screwdriver, and screw it back in securely with the other mode of screw by changing the mode of screwing on the handle. Really efficient and effective. Next we will try out the drill bits. It is used for light works like drilling of thin wood, or plastic. Here we will try drilling a few holes into our toy car's base plate. Let's see how it fares. It drills through thin wood and plastic easily. Just look at my trial on the plastic base of my remote control car. The drill easily goes through with ease and without creating much mess. It gives a clean drilled hole altogether. Check out the final results. All drilled holes look really professional. Good results. You can get VIGRUE accessories with the driller as an add-on. Here I got the bolts and nuts as an add-on to the screwdriver as I thought they would come in handy during my DIY projects. The bolts and nuts look high quality, no rusts or discoloration, high quality. Overall, we find the VIGRUE electric screwdriver a really useful product for you and your family. Easily carry out DIY projects at home like installation of household items like locks and equipment easily without hassle. It is powerful and results has proven it works well in many DIY projects. Really good.